Experiencing launch failures or crashes with Marvel Rivals? It's likely due to Easy Anti-Cheat, a system designed to prevent cheating. Easy Anti-Cheat is a security system that protects Marvel Rivals from cheating by monitoring game files and processes. Common EAC errors include messages like Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed or Game Integrity Check failed. This is a common problem affecting roughly 15 to 20% of players as of February 2026. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get back in the game. Easy Anti-Cheat operates at the kernel level within your operating system, injecting code to detect cheats and monitor system processes. Common causes include driver conflicts. Issues with antivirus software like Bitdefender, VPNs, or overclocking tools like MSI Afterburner can prevent EAC from loading properly. Another cause is hardware incompatibilities. Certain motherboards, like ASUS ROG series, or peripherals like Razer Synapse, can trigger errors. Finally, file integrity issues occur when corrupted game files prevent EAC from loading properly. A simple first step is to verify the integrity of your game files through the game launcher. This replaces any corrupted or missing files. For Steam users, right-click Marvel Rivals in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Epic Games Store users, find Marvel Rivals in your library, click the three dots menu, and select Verify. Granting administrative privileges can resolve permission issues that prevent EAC from working. Right-click the Marvel Rivals executable and select Run as Administrator. Disable third-party overlays like Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or other programs that inject themselves into the game. These overlays can sometimes interfere with EAC. Driver conflicts are a major cause of Easy Anti-Cheat errors in Marvel Rivals. These can occur when antivirus software, VPNs, or outdated drivers interfere with EAC's kernel-level operations. First, temporarily disable your antivirus software or VPN to test if this resolves the issue. Common problematic programs include Bitdefender or tools like MSI Afterburner that affect system drivers. If disabling the antivirus or VPN fixes the problem, you should add permanent exceptions. Exclude the Marvel Rivals installation folder and EAC-related files from antivirus scans and VPN restrictions to prevent future conflicts. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. Visit the official NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest drivers for your specific GPU model, and restart your computer after installation. Outdated drivers can cause EAC initialization failures. Finally, perform a clean boot of Windows to isolate any conflicting programs. Press Windows key R, type msconfig, go to the Services and Startup tabs, disable non-Microsoft services and startup items, then restart and test Marvel Rivals. This helps identify which specific process is causing the EAC error. Some hardware configurations are known to cause problems with Easy Anti-Cheat in Marvel Rivals. If you have an AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPU, ensure your BIOS is up to date or try downgrading to a previous version. For NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs, check for driver updates specifically addressing EAC compatibility. Razer Synapse-enabled devices may also cause conflicts. Try closing the software. For advanced users tackling persistent EAC errors, Process Explorer provides deep insights into system processes. This powerful tool from Microsoft can monitor the Easy Anti-Cheat executable for any issues or conflicts. Look specifically for the Easy Anti-Cheat.exe process to check its status and identify any errors that might be preventing Marvel Rivals from launching properly. Epic Games offers the EAC Assistant, a dedicated diagnostic tool that automatically handles many common issues. This assistant can update drivers, check system compatibility, and apply fixes without manual intervention. As of 2026, following official guides and using these tools resolves approximately 80% of reported EAC errors, making them the recommended first steps for advanced troubleshooting. NetEase is actively collaborating with Epic Games to enhance the Easy Anti-Cheat system for Marvel Rivals. They are also exploring advanced AI-driven anti-cheat technologies that could provide more sophisticated detection methods. While EAC has successfully reduced cheating incidents, it still faces challenges related to hardware compatibility and user privacy concerns. Players should stay updated with official patches from the developers and check community forums for the latest fixes and workarounds. Looking ahead, with these ongoing efforts, Marvel Rivals stability is expected to improve significantly. There's even potential for EAC to be phased out by 2027 due to privacy considerations.